We have 4 skills that we are going to master. Okay, one skill is reading. Another skill is another one? Listening. Yeah. And then another one we have speaking. And then the last one, there are only 4. So the last one we have writing. Okay. So among these 4 skills, we will tackle first speaking. Because speaking is the most difficult part. Okay, it is the most difficult part in the TOEFL exam. Although the whole exam is very difficult, but speaking, it's really very hard for us to speak, especially if what do you call this one? If the questions are all standardized. Because in TOEFL exam, the questions are just the same. It's just all standardized. Your problem here is that how you are going to organize. How you are going to organize what you are going to say. And it should be with time limit. So, most probably in our case, it's okay. We can talk, we can speak, you know. But then the problem is, how do we organize our answer? Okay? How are we going, how are we going to answer it with just in like 45 seconds or in 60 seconds? And then everything there is already there, like we already have the introduction. It's very important. You already have the introduction, you already have the body, plus you already have also the conclusion. So how can we do this in just 15 seconds of preparation and 45 seconds of speaking? The other task, there are 60 seconds. So we are going to tackle first speaking exam, okay? So we will erase this one. In our speaking, we have 6 tasks. Okay, we have 6 tasks of speaking. So when you say speaking, when you say tasks, meaning the things that we are going to do. First task is we have the independent, not the integrated. Okay, so we start first with the independent. Okay, when we say independent questions, this would ask us about our favorite. Let's say, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite person? Okay, what is your favorite, not what is your favorite person, but who is this person that you really like most, or who is this person who influenced you the most? Or it could be, what is your favorite, maybe shopping mall? Or maybe your favorite pet? Okay? It's all about, in this part, on the first task, the first question type, it is going to be all about you. So that is why it's independent. So you can actually talk freely about it. But remember, it should be 45 seconds only. Okay. So meaning to say, if we are going to segregate, or if we are going to how do you call it then? If we are going to make this from general, if we are going to make it specific, okay, meaning to say we are going to divide the time within 45 seconds. Within 45 seconds. It could be maybe 5 seconds we are going to tackle about the introduction. Okay? Or maybe another 5 seconds we are going to tackle about the reasons. It should always be the reasons. Okay, first step, we are going to have the topic sentence. The second one is we are going to have the reason. We will have reason 1. And then we are going to give examples to support this reason. That would be good for 5 to 10 seconds. So we have already 15 seconds. Now, in the question number 1, it should be that we should have at least 2 reasons. If we can manage the time well, we can have at least 3. But if we cannot manage the time, at least 2. So, let's say for example, you have reason number 2, and then you also have your supporting idea here. Maybe 10 seconds. So how many now? 10, 20, 35. And then 35, so 10 seconds maybe, or maybe no. Let's have this 10, 20, or maybe 15. I don't know math. 15, 15, 30, 35. How many seconds here? 10 seconds. Okay. We are going to spend it for the conclusion. So that is how we are going to divide our time so that we can have exactly 45 seconds. Because if we are going to go beyond 45 seconds, it will be going to be like a minus point for us. Okay? So before we are going to manage our time, let's go back first with the kind of question that we are going to expect. So question number 1, we are going to expect something that is on our experience, something that we like, something that is like our favorite. So it's all about us. Okay, that is question number 1. Question number 2, you are going to expect preference. When you say preference, there is like a choice that you have to do. It could either that you are going to agree or disagree with the choice. Okay, this is question number 2. So this part here, this is what we call independent, because this is all about you and your choices. I will show you an example here. Like we have here the skills. So this is actually the one that I'm going to show you. This is the simulation of the real TOEFL test. Oh, why is this not working?
Volume indicator to the left or to the right to change the volume. To close the volume control, click on another part of the screen. You will be able to change the volume whenever you see the volume icon. You may now change the volume. When you are finished, click on Continue.
We're going to go to speaking. Okay, so this is what I mean. So the first parts here, the first task is independent. And then we have here the free choice task and the paired choice task. So free choice, this is the one that I told you, your own experience. And then the other one, the paired choice, and this one, your preference. You have to choose one only. And then we have also another task, which is the integrated task. We have the integrated task. So this is divided into campus conversation and also lectures, academic. So mostly it's academic when you say TOEFL, academic, and even if it's conversation, it should be campus related. So in integrated, we are asked to read a passage, we listen, and then we speak. When we speak is either